And finally, here is a hint on how to make life here more enjoyable. Get to know your neighbors. A good way to start is by always calling out ohayo gozaimasu and konnichi when you see them. It takes courage the first time, but after you've exchanged greetings a few times, people will begin to talk to you. If there's anything you don't understand, just ask. There are lots of nice people in Fukuoka who will be happy to help. The guidebook on garbage rules and the Fukuoka International Association website are available in English, Chinese, and Korean for additional information. Check it out! I hope that you can fulfill all your goals and hopes here in Japan. Try new things and new experiences and learn to adapt. Good luck!